What's up guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'll be sharing with you how to get started in investing with stocks, shares and ETFs. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell so you will be notified every time when I drop a new video. Make sure you check the other contents that I have on my channel on how to earn money online and how to earn free cryptocurrency and many other opportunities online that you can actually do. So make sure you check out my channel and don't forget to subscribe and like. So today's video we'll be focusing on investing in shares and actually buying and selling shares. So the platform that I will be talking about today is Easy Equities. So Easy Equities is a platform or broker that actually provides you with services to buy and sell shares. They're actually located in South Africa, in Johannesburg, in Sandton. I'm not too sure if they have any other offices around the world, but I'm sure they work with a whole lot of companies that are located around the globe. So Easy Equities is your number one broker that you actually want to look at because they have low fees. I think you actually pay like 64 cents per 100 rand for every transaction or for every stock that you actually buy, and depending when you're selling, depending on the profits that you have made, it will differ from there. So Easy Equity is your number one place to actually buy and sell shares. So when you open an Easy Equity account, you actually have an Easy Equity ZAR account and you have an Easy Equity USD account. So your ZAR account will have all your South African companies. These are all your South African companies, for instance, like your Anglo-American Gold, your banks, your South African banks, your South African companies. Let's just go to the top 40. Okay, so you have your Anglo-American, you have your Anglo Gold Ashanti, you have your Aspen, you have your Bidvest Bank, a whole lot of companies that you should be familiar with if you live in South Africa or if you are around Africa. So your Easy Equity ZAR account will actually have all your South African companies. And then your Easy Equity USD account will have all your US companies. So if you're from the US, then you'll probably be familiar with all these companies because these companies are all from the US. You got your 3M, you got your 8.3, you got your Abot and Adobe, all these companies that you should be familiar with. Adobe, you got Alibaba Group. These are some of the big companies, the big players in America. Yahoo, you got Alphabet, Google, and so forth. So you actually have a choice to actually buy shares from South African companies, or you can buy shares from the United States. It's up to you. Same also applies with the TFSA. TFSAs are actually your ETFs. You can buy ETFs from South Africa or you can actually buy ETFs from the United States. It's up to you which market you're actually familiar with. The better way to actually go about is to actually familiarize yourself with the market that you actually from. For instance, I'm from South Africa, so I'm much more familiar with all the companies in South Africa. I actually would understand much more better what's happening in the market that I am in, rather than focusing on the US, whereby I'm not in the US. It will be quite a hassle for me to always be like up to date with what's happening with the US market since I'm not living in the US. But at the moment I'm mostly invested in South African markets, but at the moment the South African market is not performing as it's supposed to be performing. So yeah, I'm on pause for a moment. So you actually also have a demo account that you can actually play around with. You got a demo ZAR and you also have a demo USD account that you can actually play around with before actually depositing some real money. So before you actually deposit some real money, please go onto it, play around with the demo, familiarize yourself with what you're getting yourself into. So how do you actually deposit money into your account? Let's go to that. So you go to account overview, and then from there you will have an option of going to account actions, and then you go to fund this account. So even if you're in the US, you'll actually use the same system because people from the US can also use this platform. It's not only for South Africa, so even if you in the US, you can actually use this platform. I'm not too sure about other countries such as Asia, Europe, and stuff like that. I'm not too sure about them. So over here, you can make an ETF payment. You can make a payment via credit card or SID. I'm not too sure what SID means, but just Google that and then you'll find out. With the SID, if you're making a payment via ETF, there's actually no charges, so you get your money as it is. So these are some of the banks that you can actually use to deposit money. You can use ABSA, you can use FNB, you can use Nedbank, you can use Standard Bank, you can use Investec, Capitec, or Bidvest Bank Limited. So these are all the banks that you can actually use to deposit money. You can put the account name, bank, account type, branch code, branch name, account number, and make sure your reference number is correct. Make sure you copy and paste it, because if your reference number is incorrect, then your money will go into someone else's account, and trust me, you do not want that. So make sure your reference number is always correct. Double check it or copy and paste it so that you do not make any mistake. So something really caught my eye this week on Easy Equities. So they introduced something new. It's called a DCX10 token. So it's just new on the platform. So what is this token? Okay, DCX token is a crypto token linked to the value of the DCX10 index. The DCX10 index holds the top 10 cryptocurrencies as assets. It works exactly like an ETF or a unit trust, which holds a section of underlying assets in a fund structure. The difference is that this index is a token and does not trade on an exchange. So what they're saying is DCX10 token is a token that is based off the top 10 cryptocurrencies. So if you're not too sure what are the top 10 cryptocurrencies, okay, let's just go to CoinMarketCap so you can actually see what's the top 10 cryptocurrencies. So your top 10 cryptocurrency is your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your Ripple, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Binance Coin, Bitcoin SV, Tether, and Cardano. So basically, this company holds the top 10 cryptocurrencies. So it's backed up by the top 10 cryptocurrencies. So these are the top 10 cryptocurrencies. If you want to check them out, you can just go to CoinMarketCap, and then from there you will be able to see them right there and how they're performing over time. So like I said, you got your equities, you got your ETFs, you got your ETN, you got your baskets, you got your bundles, and you got your crypto. But this for me is the most exciting thing that I have just added to this platform, and I'm so looking forward on actually buying this token and actually holding it for some time, since the crypto market is highly volatile and there's a whole lot of cash to be made there. So this is the only crypto token that they actually have on this platform at the moment. So if you think they have Bitcoin or Ethereum and so forth like that, they actually don't have that. I don't know if they're actually going to be implementing it anytime soon. We just have to wait and actually see. So if you actually want to buy, you'll actually go to it, and before you buy, they actually give you the details of what are you actually buying about. They actually explain to you what is it, how it works, and then from there you can analyze it. Okay, I want to buy it, I don't want to buy it, is it suitable for me, it's not suitable for me. And then from there you can go down. You have an option of buying it for 250, 500, 1,000 rands, or you can put in your own amount, say 13 bucks, 50 bucks, it's up to you. And then from there you can click once off or monthly, it's up to you. Monthly, that means every month you want to be buying for a certain amount on a particular day. So every month they will be deducting from your account on that certain day, which you have chosen that you want to be buying on that certain day. So yeah, guys, this is Easy Equities. It's straightforward and simple. There's no hardship to it. If you have any other question, please leave it in the comment box. I will be happy and glad to answer you as soon as possible. And please make sure that you actually share these videos to people who actually want to get invested into stocks or shares or ETFs. And also, if you're a person that's looking into getting into crypto, this will be a very great opportunity to actually look into the DCX10 token. If you're afraid of buying Bitcoin or any other coins, I mean, this token is one coin that I would definitely buy. Even though I'm not a financial advisor, please do not take my advice. Consult with your financial advisor before you get into any investment, and do your homework. So other people, I think this is a get rich quick scheme. Nope, it's not. Please do your homework before you get involved in all this buying and selling shares. So guys, please don't forget to like my videos, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and you will be notified every time I drop a new video. And please don't forget, I will be dropping a video every week now. I'm going to try my best to be dropping a video every week so that you are informed well. So from me, I will see you on the next video. Peace out.